Hey everyone, big week here in AI. Have a lot to cover, so let's get right into it. So starting off here, got a few updates from Google. This one from Google Deepmind. This is in a paper here. It's titled Boundless Socratic Learning with Language Games. It is essentially a framework that enables AI to self-improve through recursive language interactions in closed systems, potentially leading to more autonomous and scalable AI learning without reliance on external data or human feedback. This is a big push towards AGI here on from Google. So exciting stuff. Next up, this is DeepMind GenCast. As we see here, predicts weather and the risks of extreme conditions with state-of-the-art accuracy. Essentially, it revolutionizes weather forecasting by using AI to predict weather patterns more accurately and efficiently. Could significantly impact climate modeling, agriculture, and disaster management. They have a method that allows you to forecast about 15 days in advance. They pull about 50 different samples to ensure really high accuracy here. So, really cool stuff as far as weather forecasting goes. It's apparently better than anything we've ever seen as far as weather forecasting. So, cool stuff from here from Google. Another thing coming from Google here, Genie 2, it's image to game. Essentially, this tool allows you to convert an image into an interactive video game, expanding the creative possibility for game development and educational tools, making game creation more accessible to those without coding knowledge. So, cool stuff here. Another update from Google. This is DeepMind VO. So they're rolling out VO. It's a Vertex AI, and it's kind of like in preview right now. Um, it's to help businesses generate high quality video from a text or image prompt. They have some synth ID watermark embedded in the video just for, um, I guess, security and trust, safety. There's a lot of things that goes into AI video. Seems like Google is embedding a watermark there just to ensure safety moving forward here, but they do highlight a couple of clips on their homepage, which you can take a look at as I'm showing here. Next up, a couple updates here from Nova. So Amazon developing a few different models here. So they have Amazon Nova models come in micro, light, or pro. Um, as far as understanding goes, it has the canvas ability. It also has video creation as well. It can read in 200 plus languages. It can customize text, image, video fine tuning. It also has some watermarking and misinformation prevention built in. So, definitely some safety features there built in as well. Next up, another update here coming from Amazon. This is Llama 3.3. As you all know, Amazon, or not Amazon, sorry, Facebook. Facebook Meta. So Meta Llama 3.3. This is a 70 billion parameter model. But the crazy thing is although it's 70 billion parameters, it has the capability to, uh, it's Okay. It's significant not because it has the capabilities of a 405 billion parameter model, but because it offers substantial improvements over previous versions with much larger context windows. So it's a 70 billion parameter model, but it has the same capability as a 405 billion parameter model. So we're seeing huge efficiency wins over here at Meta. Also, their large language models are open source. So really cool stuff here coming from Meta. Another update from Amazon. So Amazon did recently come out with another chip, Trainium 3. So essentially Amazon announced they are looking to focus more on in-house hardware to kind of break free from their reliance on NVIDIA. there is a point here that I wanted to show. Okay, so yeah, so even Trainium 2 instances offer 30 to 40% better price to performance. So interesting stuff. Their in-house hardware is definitely more cost effective for Amazon to use, and they've been investing heavily in that to break free of their NVIDIA reliance. So interesting stuff coming from AWS Amazon with their Trainium 3 hardware. Next up, a couple updates here from uh, Grok. They added a new image generator. It's called Aurora. This model is by xAI. It is an advanced image generator. It's definitely really good at realism. And essentially, they're saying it's also good for visual content creation and aiding in fields like design, entertainment, and education by generating high quality images from text descriptions. Again, it's really good at realism. There are a couple of images here if you check on X, but here's just one featuring Luigi and Mickey. As we know, there are very limited guardrails as far as what Grok won't generate for you. So, cool update here as far as image generating goes in Grok. Another update from Grok here. Grok did update their in-house model. So it used to be you'd have to be like a paid subscriber on X to utilize Grok. Now it's free to all users. There's definitely limited usage as who is it? Blank speaker highlighted here. Very limited. Can analyze 3 images per day. Can do 10 messages per 2 hours, including images. They also removed Grok 2 Mini, and you can now make queries to Grok 2. So Grok 2 is pretty much the only thing available here. Um, so essentially, this move by xAI makes AI technology more accessible, allowing more people to experiment with the benefit from AI assistance, though with limited usage and, to manage resource allocation here. That does bring me to another point here from X. X also is focusing on more investment. I'm not sure why I have Nova here, but they are focusing on larger investments. Elon Musk came out recently saying that he is going to be doing another investment of about 1 million NVIDIA GPUs, which is crazy. So we will see how that plays out here from X. So xAI expanding its Memphis supercomputer Colossus to accommodate over 1 million GPUs, aiming to bolster AI development for their chatbot Grok. We did have an update. I'm not sure when Elon Musk said this, but he did say Grok 3 should be available by end of year. So a lot of people are anticipating this release. We will see if it still comes out. They do have a big push on the hardware side, though. We'll see if that gets done. If it does, maybe we'll see Grok 3 here before 2025. As far as OpenAI goes, Sam Altman at the New York Times interview did announce that there's going to be 12 days of releases at OpenAI. So things like ChatGPT and other things are focused on here. The event, I think the 12 days of OpenAI did start on Thursday, and they're not running it on weekends. So right now we had Thursday and Friday, we had a couple releases there. Friday was more so for like fine tuning models. You had to apply for it. But the Thursday release, definitely more impactful here. So ChatGPT Pro did roll out. As we know, Plus has always been a membership they've been offering. It's $20 a month, but GPT Pro now is $200 a month. And it gives you access to the O1 Pro model. And you also get unlimited access to all the models. So right now, if you're a Plus user, you do get limited access to O1, but you get zero access to O1 Pro. If you're a GPT Pro member paying the $200 a month, you get unlimited access to O1 Pro and O1. And also, as they release newer models, we'll see if anything else comes out here. Sam Altman did say there is a big update coming for 12 days of OpenAI on Monday, We will see what it is. I have a couple things in mind. Check out my X profiles to see what I'm thinking, but thinking maybe along the lines of like agents or live video. That has been a couple things we have been hearing a lot about. We'll see what we get, but yeah, Thursday was a big deal. They transitioned from the um, O1 preview to O1. It's noted as being faster and more powerful reasoning model, particularly for coding, math, and writing tasks, with the capability of process visual and inputs for more nuanced responses. And yeah, I think that's it as far as the Thursday update goes. So ChatGPT Pro, $200 a month, unlimited access, but the Plus plan still is in place. So if you still want access to O1, you still get it. You just do not get access to O1 Pro. Okay. Moving right along here. So OpenAI has had this clause with Microsoft. Essentially, the current clause is OpenAI's deal with Microsoft would end with Microsoft once OpenAI reaches AGI. So essentially, they're looking to remove that aspect. OpenAI wants to remove this clause to secure further investment from Microsoft and maintain access to their resources even after AGI. So, what does this mean essentially? This could signal a shift in OpenAI's focus from nonprofit to more of a commercial for profit organization. We all know that they are pushing for being a full profit, and Elon Musk did give some pushback. Of course, there are a lot of good talking points as it relates to should they be a full for profit, as right now they're a capped for profit. They're not even a full nonprofit anymore. So we will see how this plays out. I won't say my opinion, but we'll just see. Um, Next up here, we probably saw this. David Sachs is appointed as AI and crypto czar. So Trump appointed David Sachs, who was COO of PayPal, uh, to oversee AI and cryptocurrency policy, signaling a push towards innovation-friendly regulations. That's all I'll say here, but just thought that was an important update as relates to all things AI and crypto. Next up, Runway. So Runway keyframes. Essentially, it's a feature in Runway for video editing that uses keyframe animations. It simplifies and speeds up the creation of animations and video content, benefiting creators across various media. It allows users to set specific points in a video where changes occur, controlling animations with ease. So it gives you a little bit more flexibility over video creation, which is cool. We've seen a lot of big updates here from Runway, so exciting stuff. Next up here, and this is Tencent Hunyuan. Um, it's an AI model by Tencent, which is a very large organization in China that does everything from like social media, game developments, and pretty much everything in between and tech. Very big in China. But essentially, Tencent Hunyuan is a video and audio generator. It could redefine content creation and entertainment by enhancing high quality automated video production. It generates video content from text or possibly other inputs with emphasis on realism and complexity. Another huge call out here is this is also open source. So this is also encouraging further development and innovation. There are a couple videos here I thought we could highlight. So baby swimming underwater. This is all thanks to Min Choi on Twitter here. Here's a Ford F-150 Raptor. This one is a racing down snowy mountain slope. Here's a cinematic scene of a bicyclist. Some of the movement is a little weird, but definitely really cool stuff. Text and video. Here's an example of that. Catwalks on the grass, realistic style. This one is crazy, actually. Wow. But yeah, that is Tencent Hunyuan open source video model. Um, just noticed my camera's frozen. Hello? Okay. Sorry, y'all. My camera was frozen that whole time. But that is everything this week. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Um, yeah, let me know what you all think this week. This week was jam-packed as far as AI updates go. So if I am missing anything, please do let me know what you saw, and I would love to hear it. Either way, I am over on X quite a bit and posting so much. My username on there is the Justinify, so check me out over there. But nonetheless, y'all, thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.